Matthew Brown Companies, with backing from SpaceX and OpenAI, is currently in talks with Virgin Orbit for funding. The deal, which is rumored to be worth $200 million based on a leaked term sheet, could potentially give the VC controlling interest and de facto ownership of Virgin Orbit. The satellite company had recently suspended all business operations in a bid to save itself from bankruptcy and is currently seeking funding. Brown spoke positively about Virgin Orbit's unique ability to perform horizontal launches using its Launcher One system, which doesn't require a fixed launch pad and can launch within hours, compared to days for surface launches. Brown also discussed the impact of SVB on the VC landscape and startups, expressing concern over bank consolidation and the willingness of large banks to take on investment risk. Matthew Brown Companies, a Texas-based VC firm with investments in over 13 space companies, is well positioned to inject enough capital into Virgin Orbit to make it cash flow positive, according to Brown. Backed by SpaceX and OpenAI, Brown Companies is actively discussing the funding deal, which could give it controlling interest and de facto ownership of Virgin Orbit. Brown praised Virgin Orbit's Launcher One system, which can perform horizontal launches that don't require fixed launch pads and can take just hours to complete, compared to days for surface launches. He also expressed concern over the impact of Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, on the VC landscape and startups, highlighting the issue of loan tightening for VCs and the possibility of bank consolidation that could negatively affect investment risk. By Monday, it's possible that the techies at Virgin Orbit may have returned to their workstations, factories, or hangars. In a recent filing, the company revealed its plan to gradually resume its operations, starting from March 23, 2023, to prepare for its upcoming mission. While the operational pause for the majority of its workforce is expected to last until March 26, 2023, most employees are likely to return to work on March 27, 2023.